absence of modular electric hybrid utility vehicles with all-wheel drive is a developing and evident hole in the market. Also, where there's a hole, forceful South Korean carmaker Hyundai may endeavor to fill it. The organization has now discharged a considerable lot of the subtle elements of the Hyundai Kona Electric little SUV that will get its open introduction at 1 week from now's Geneva Car Expo. While the electric Kona has an indistinguishable shape and bodywork from the traditional fuel demonstrate, it has a few evident visual contrasts. One is a strong board to supplant the grille, like that utilized on the Ioniq Electric to recognize it from the Tato's half and modular variations. Low-drag 17-inch amalgam wheels vary from those on the gas Kona, and inside, blue trim accents underscore the all-electric powertrain with zero tailpipe emissions. The regular Kona will touch base in the US as a 2018 model, giving the Korean carmaker a subcompact hybrid to extend its lineup in the hot offerings section. The Kona Electric is probably going to make its US make a big appearance inside the following couple of months and go on special as a 2019 model. The model has been composed from the begin for an all-electric form, giving Hyundai a harsh proportionate to the Kia Soul electric wagon from its GIN organization. The electric Kona propelled in Europe offers two distinctive battery limits and engine outputs. The base auto has a 39.2 kWh base battery, promising 186 miles of range, and a 99 kW, 133 torque, engine, while the top-of-the-line Kona Electric uses a 64 kWh pack and a 150 kW, 201 horsepower, engine. That form's more drawn-out range is anticipated at 292 miles. Both range gauges depend on the new Worldwide Harmonized Light Obligation Vehicles Test Procedure, WLTP, whose range gauges are substantially nearer to those from the EPA than those from the past New European Drive Cycle, NEDC, infamous for exceptionally idealistic range results. Note that those reaches are far higher than the 124-mile rating of the 2018 Hyundai Ioniq Electric, utilizing a 28 kWh pack. That vehicle is required to get a bigger pack moderately soon also. Hyundai guarantees the Kona Electric will offer an amusing-to-drive character in addition to the typical availability highlights, accommodation alternatives, and dynamic well-being frameworks found in the best of the little SUV portion. Pre-orders for the electric Kona opened 2 weeks back for clients in South Korea, and it will go on special in Europe this mid-year.